A pre-recorded warning plays at Barcelona Beach. At 34 degrees Celsius, sun protection is a must and the sight of the sea provides comfort. But are tourists listening to the calls for care?
Well, we came from Mallorca and it was 42 degrees there on Friday, so that was a bit relentless, to be honest. And we did bring the paddling pool because we thought it's going to be really hot. So we were trying to be prepared.
We use it to this warm weather.
Yeah.
I mean, we're Mediterranean, so it's not a problem for us.
You don't need the sun cream.
I mean, yeah, we need a sun protector, the umbrella, everything, and some like fresh water, fresh food, some like watermelon and stuff like that. It's helping a lot.
So this type of heat is okay, you just need to be prepared.
Exactly. That's it.
There might be smiles on the beach, but I spoke to Julie Berkmans from the European Environment Agency and she said heat is a serious concern. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me, Julie. I wonder if you could first kind of explain why heat is so dangerous for tourists and people living in these southern European countries.
What we see in the data is that with this increasing heat, more and more people die from heat, being hospitalized. If we look into some numbers, in 2022, there were between 60,000 and 70,000 premature deaths due to heat in Europe. So this is the number for the whole of Europe. And in 2023, it was 47,000. So that's a really high number.
From what you're saying, it's quite clear that heat does have a tangible impact on people's health. I wonder if you could tell me a bit about how does that compare to other extreme weather events like flooding and extreme fires? Do they also impact people in the same way?
Here we see that 95% of those fatalities due to extreme events is actually from heat. All the other 5% only of the remaining is then wildfires and droughts and floods and cold waves and storms. So 95% of those related to heat alone.
This summer, Spain recorded highs of over 46 degrees, Italy 45, and Turkey reached 50. In Dubrovnik, Croatia, the highs were almost 39 degrees, but the Dubrovnik Tourism Board isn't concerned. They say tourism has shown remarkable resilience thanks to a coastal location and strong infrastructure. In fact, they say that this year they've seen an increase in tourists, with flights growing by nearly 6%. In the UK, the number of flights is set to increase even more in 2026. So, regardless of the risk to life and the warnings, it looks like beach tourism is going to keep on turning.